Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Walmart e-gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a Walmart e-gift card online. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to buy a Walmart e-gift card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe it's the holidays and you forgot to buy something for the holidays, or maybe their birthday's coming up and you want something quick to send someone as a gift. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and you can take care of this either on the Walmart website or on the Walmart app. For me, the Walmart app is just a little bit easier. It's this blue and yellow one right here. If you don't have the app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, but I'm gonna go ahead and open my Walmart app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Walmart app, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various specials that Walmart is running. One thing I want to let you know is this is to purchase an e-gift card. This is not a plastic physical gift card. So this gift card will be delivered via email. If you're looking to purchase a plastic Walmart gift card, a physical gift card, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But if you're looking to buy an e-gift card online to Walmart, what you want to do is click right here on this top search bar. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to be brought to this menu, and you can go ahead and just type in Walmart e-gift card. That's the easiest way I've found to find a Walmart e-gift card to buy online. So I'm going to type it in now. Okay guys, I went ahead and typed it in. As you can see, Walmart e-gift card. I'm going to click the search button now. All right, I went ahead and clicked search, and then it's going to come up with a couple of different options. But for the general Walmart e-gift card, what you want to do is scroll down until you get to this section. It's called Basic Blue Walmart e-gift card. You can choose some of the other colors and designs if you'd like, but I usually just go with the general Walmart logo. I'm going to click there now. All right, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get the different options to choose the color or the design for your Walmart e-gift card online. So once again, I'm going to leave it as the general Walmart color. And if you want to go ahead and use one of these quick functions, you can choose a dollar amount. It's by default $50. However, if you want to do a smaller dollar amount than the $20 that's listed there, you can just click right there and then enter $5 to $500. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to type in 5. All right, next what you want to do is go ahead and type in the email address for the person you're going to be sending this to. You can send that to yourself as well, and then that way you can forward it on to your friend or family member. For me, I'm going to go ahead and type in the email address here. You can go ahead and type in the recipient's name there as well. That is optional. So what will happen is Walmart will send the e-gift card with a greeting with that person's name. I'm going to scroll down. Also, you can go ahead and put the sender's name, which was probably going to be you. You can also type in your own personal message like happy birthday or happy holidays or whatever works for you. So I'm going to enter all that information in off screen now. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, you can choose how many of these you would like to buy. For me, I'm just going to buy one gift card for the amount of $5. If all of it looks good, go ahead and click this blue buy now button. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, just a few seconds later, I was prompted to enter in my credit card information. So I typed in my credit card information and clicked order, and almost immediately I got this email. It's a confirmation email confirming the amount, what date, and also that my order will be sent via email or e-delivered. And the nice thing about ordering a Walmart gift card online is it goes through immediately, because just a few seconds after this email, I got the Walmart e-gift card that I bought online in my email inbox. Let me switch over and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I went ahead and switched over to the Walmart e-gift card that I bought online. And this is what the e-gift card is going to look like. It's going to have an image that you chose, the amount of the gift card. It's also going to show the card number over here and the PIN number over here, along with the dollar amount. And any kind of message that you placed is going to be listed right here. So there you have it, guys. That's the easiest way I know how to buy a Walmart gift card online. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.